Hi guys.
I love that Google.
So if your breast is small, what would you do for you?
My love. Today she's going to be installing my health. Full health version. I be the queen myself.
Was it that the guy who is gay? From which state? No, it's not the gay, yes. Dog. Yes,
Are you sure?
you should keep your husband poor so he doesn't ask for a second wife.
Some people are literally beautiful.
I don't even know what to say.
My own is Saudi Arabia. Your own is Saudi.
You leave me standing outside now because I know the money. You dey they shine teeth that they hear you they laugh. Problem there.
What do you even get in your life when problem no dey ever dey?
What happened?
We have a million of that.
You could deliver her. And the big good girl again. Come. Hard-working girl. Mwana bambo.
Let me replenish my vitamin.
Poor girl. Hustling. You don't love me again.
I love me.
Give me some wine, baby. That's the only way I can feel that. You don't speak to me.
We're finally done. What do you think? Rate her work over 10 and tell me what you think about what she did. Even though I love it, I'm feeling myself.